When you're told to change colors when you're working a round in continuous rounds without joining, it's very important to have your marker that you use in front of the first single crochet or stitch of the round, because then you know where the last single crochet or stitch is. So when told to change colors in the last stitch of a round, you insert your hook into that stitch, pull up a loop, or take it to within 2 loops of completion, and you drop the old color and draw through the last 2 loops to change colors, and then move your marker so that you can begin the next round with this new color. You cut the old yarn if instructed and continue on with this new color.